special.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida, southern Broward County in southeastern Florida, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near intersection Chrome and US 27, or near Pembroke Pines, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hialeah, Pembroke Pines, Hollywood, Miramar, Davie, Plantation, Sunrise, Tamarack, Miami Gardens, Weston, North Miami Beach, Miami Lakes, Cooper City, Hialeah Gardens, Opa-locka, West Park, Miami Shores, Medley, and Westview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Thanks for visiting my channel today. I wonder if